comp claims here tonight, did we, Troy?
Oh,
No. Hey, guys, in all seriousness, in all seriousness, how awesome is this? This is pretty cool stuff, right? Good stuff, right? So to start off with, I definitely want to thank Jay Rosario, Mark Berryman, and obviously Troy Stevenson from Wesley Chapel Nissan. Are they in there? Yeah, they're working deals tonight. We're making some money. That's what it's all about. For putting this event on. So let's give them applause. This is good stuff. Good stuff. And it's good we're in here instead of out there, right? It's not too nice out tonight. But let me start off by introducing my family. My name is Mike Moore. I'm running for Pasco County Commissioner. It's my lovely wife, Lauren, my daughter, Aubrey, my son, David, and my daughter, Amberly. And they love this stuff, don't you?
Yeah.
They love this. They're having loads of fun. But, let me tell you a little bit about myself and why I'm running. I'm running because I believe Pasco County's future is bright. But it's going to take all of us here tonight together to make that future a reality. By many standards, Pasco County is a great place to live, work, raise a family, and retire in. That's why a lot of us moved here, right? Right? Yeah. But at the same time, throughout the last few years, we witnessed people lose jobs, people lose their homes. We witnessed friends of ours have to move to different areas to get jobs, increases in crime, lost opportunities, increases in traffic and congestion. And I believe Pasco County can do better. Do you guys believe Pasco County can do better? Yeah? All right, good. And one of the things we need to do is bring more high-paying, secure jobs to Pasco County. And I shouldn't say just jobs, but actually careers. And what I mean by careers is careers that we can have, that people can have for the next 10, 15, 20 years. And what that's going to do is help our tax base, obviously, so we don't have to raise taxes. It's going to give us a strong economic foundation that we can have for years to come. For far too long, so many people in Pasco County have to travel to Hillsborough County, Pinellas County, some even in Orlando, just to make that long commute home every day. And I want to stop that. But to make that happen, we need to be more business-friendly in Pasco County. And we're known as one of the worst places to do business in the state of Florida. I don't know if you guys realize that, but if any of you own businesses here, or trying to start a business here, you understand that. So we need to make it more business-friendly. And I mean, we need to make the permitting process easier. We make the review process easier. We need to open our arms to these companies that want to come to Florida. Governor Scott, Governor Perry have done a great job. They've gone out and tried to seek companies to come to Florida. But they're not coming here, and we need them here. And at the same time, I also want to focus on public safety. Public safety is very important to me as I knock on doors every day. The people we talk to they want to be safe and secure. So you have my commitment to make sure that public safety is another priority of mine, to make sure that the Sheriff's Department and Fire Rescue has the resources they need to keep us safe and secure. Lauren and I, we've been blessed. I think we've been blessed. But we realize with commitment, hard work, and dedication, and working together, we can accomplish far more together than we can as individuals. So I'll end on this. I'll ask you to join me, Speaker Weatherford, Senator Simpson, Senator-elect, Property Appraiser Mike Wells, Superintendent Browning, Commissioner Mariano, Representative Corcoran, amongst others that have supported our campaign and helped us win in August. Thank you so much.